John, so far this month, it's been a hot and dry one. Hopefully some relief in sight for all those good folks out there.
Yeah, there is some relief in sight. We expect to see the chances of rain increase as we go through the week. We're getting some down near the Texas coast and moving inland as it moves on to the west. Some of the storms are rather strong. That one that you see dissipating near College Station produced up to a half-inch diameter hail, as well as some 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. We've got another one up here near Lufkin. That one continues to move westward into the eastern sections of Houston County. Meanwhile, drought monitor shows that we're not in drought in East Texas yet, but we are abnormally dry, mainly along and north of Interstate 20. So hopefully some of this rain will fall before we go into actual drought conditions. Henderson and Morris counties remain the only two counties with declared burn bans in our East Texas area. All of this going on as far as the rain is concerned is a low pressure system down in the western Gulf of Mexico moving on to the Texas coast, and you can see the rotation of the moisture resulting in the thunderstorms around that system. As we lose the daytime, heating activity is dissipating. However, we'll get the same thing happening tomorrow as we begin to heat up and more moisture flows into the East Texas area. The thunderstorm that we mentioned there near Lufkin moving to the eastern sections of Houston County, not severe, but it looks like it's going to be creating some downpours, and you can see there is some lightning coming out of that this afternoon. As we check the low-level moisture content, the dew points indicate the air along and north of Interstate 20 is relatively dry, but the moisture is starting to come back into deep East Texas with those dew points rising into the middle 70s, and we'll see the rest of the dew points continue to increase as we go through the week and more moisture flows in. These are our temperatures right now. Where it is more moist and where there has been some rain, temperatures are a little lower at this point, into the mid 80s there at Lufkin and at Crockett, both showing 86. You move northward though, where the air is a little drier, it's easier for that to heat up. So we're seeing our temperatures into the middle and upper 90s in those cases. Heat index, when you combine the temperature with the humidity, puts us into the upper 90s at some locations, but don't see as many of those triple digits that we had been seeing. We do see 100 at Tyler, and it feels like 100 in Henderson. Forecast low temperatures for Tuesday morning. We're expecting low to mid 70s, so a pretty comfortable start to your day. Afternoon is going to heat up again. We'll be in the upper 90s, mainly in the northern areas, middle 90s there for deep East Texas where there's a little more moisture. Next 7 days, the trend is going to be for those high temperatures to trend downward. As we get into the weekend and even the early part of next week, we could see our high temperatures coming out of the 90s and into the middle and upper 80s. Expect an overnight low 74 tonight. It'll be mostly clear with a calm wind. Tomorrow we're going to 97, but it'll feel like 107, and there'll be a few isolated storms in the southern part of the area. Then as we take a look at the rest of the week, we see the rain chances increase. We see the temperatures continue to come down. That'll be through the weekend. We'll also get a front coming in over the weekend, and that's going to help cool things off just a bit as well. For deep East Texas, you'll have a chance of showers and thunderstorms too. Your chances of rain will actually be a little higher because you'll have more moisture since you're closer to the Gulf of Mexico. KETK.com is our website where you can find that forecast anytime.